Hi students, in my last video, I solved the AILET question that was based on circular arrangement. In this video, I will solve the AILET 2020 question based on the blood relation. Very interesting question. And you could have solved this question just in 2 minutes, the 4 question in 2 to 3 minutes. Just focus on the tricks that I tell you to solve this question. So this was the question. What is very important here is this particular set. How you infer this, right? Infer it once and all the question can be solved very easily. Let us see. X plus y means X is the mother of Y. So I will denote females by a circle. X plus Y means X is the mother of Y. There are few things to infer. One, I know the gender of X. Second, there is a generation change. Because X is a mother of Y, so there is a generation change. So I am writing it as generation change. And third thing, I don't know anything about the gender of Y. So second person, I don't know the gender of. First person, I know the gender, and there is a generation change. X minus Y means again X is female, given as the sister. There is a no generation change. And again, I don't know anything about the gender of Y. X into Y means X is the father. And there is again generation change. I don't know anything about the gender of Y. X divided by Y means X is the brother. No generation change. Why these things are important, you will shortly realize. You can solve the question in less than 30 seconds once you have seen this. One question, less than 30 seconds. Let us see how. If it is given that B plus D into M divided by M, then how is M related to B? All right. So let me put the let me put the genders here. It is plus means this is female into M. M means this is D is now male into M divided by M. M divided by N means X is the brother. So again, this is also male. Now, once again, I'm not drawing the diagram. Look here, there is 1 plus and 1 into, means there are 2 generation changes. 1 plus and 1 into means 2 generation has changed. So definitely the relationship has to be something like grandson or something of grandson, granddaughter. So these two cannot be the answer. Son and daughter means 1 generation change. Now there are 2 generations that has changed. 1 plus is here, 1 into is there. So definitely answer has to be granddaughter or grandson. But I know the gender of M as male, so I will mark it as grandson. Right. Let us see which of the following represents J is the son of F. J is the son of F. Now don't draw the diagram directly. Look at the options. Here, if you look at option number A and C, you have to find relationship between J and F. All in option number A and C, all the things remain same. What changes is T and N. Position of T and N is the only change. All other things remain same. So tell me, can A and C be the answer? Had there been both A and C, I could have solved it. All J's position remains same, F's position remains same, R's position remains same. Any which way, I have to think about the position of J and F plus the symbols also remain same. Of course, important thing is symbols also. Symbols also remain same. In A and C, everything is same, so they cannot be the answer. I will not check it. Let me check for the second option. Now the second option, there is, let me see, there are 2 generation changes because 1 plus is given and 1 into is given. So definitely this also cannot be the answer. Let me mark none of the above as the answer. Got it. So again, less than 30 seconds to solve it. You don't have to draw the diagram. Next, which of the following represent? R is the niece of M. R is the niece of M. Can A be the answer? No, A cannot be the answer because here R is towards the end. And if you see, if anything is towards the end, I don't know the gender. But here specifically it is asked, tell me whether R is the niece of M. So A and D cannot be the answer. Definitely A and D cannot be the answer. Answer has to be between B and C. All right. So let me see if I can apply something else here. So are there 2 generation changes? Because I'm looking for only 1 change in generation. So second one, no, there is only 1 change in generation. This is a possibility. Let me look at the third one. If there are 2 changes in generation, no, even in third one, there are not 2 changes in the generation. So let me now see what lies. Let me pick up B as the option. If it is the answer, I will mark it. Otherwise, I will mark C as the answer. M minus J means M. Okay, M is the sister. So M minus J means M is the sister of J. Then J plus R. Plus means J is the mother of Y. So again, mother of R. R minus N. Now, if I see here M and last in R minus N means that R is the sister of Y. R is the sister of Y. So here R in place of R, it is N. I don't know about the gender of N, but I can now clearly see that R is the niece of M. So let me mark this as the answer. I'm not going to check C here because I have got my answer. All right. Now let us solve the next question. If it is given that B into D minus M, then which of the following is true? B into D minus M. So into means B is male. D minus M means D is sister and M I don't know. Then which of the following is true? B is the brother of M. No, it cannot be true because there is change in generation. There is one into, that means there is one change in generation. B is the sister of M. Can't be the answer. B is the uncle of M. B is the father of M. So A and B both cannot be the answer because there is one change in generation. B is the uncle of M or B is the father of M. Now, in out of these two, you can just see and evaluate. Into means B is the father of D. All right. So B is the father of D, and then M, yeah, here. So because D and M are brother, sister, or whatever you want to say, I don't know about the I don't know about the gender of M, but it is clear that B is the father of D and D is the sister of M. So the relationship here has to be B is the father of D. B is the father of M, right? So that is it, guys. So you saw how quickly I have solved this question. All right. So thing that you need to remember is just draw. I mean, you don't have to draw the diagram always. You can just look at the change in generation and keep the focus on the symbols. If you can do that, you will be able to crack the questions quickly.